Hello everybody, this is Ken. I am back with another accessory review from, I think it's Auxito, and it is a air inflator, A501 portable tire inflator, car inflation, bicycle inflation, motorcycle, and ball inflation. It's anywhere from 3 to 150 psi. What's included in the package is of course the air inflator itself. You have the air tube, user manual, Schrader Presta valve adapter, air nozzles, air needle valve, USB charging, car charger, and a storage bag. On the top look like the manual and some tips as well, probably for it not getting too hot. Yes, the internal temperature exceeds 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Love it. And on the top is probably all of the accessories that I mentioned earlier, I believe. A nice little storage bag here. Now, one thing I'll tell you is this is fine. It's drawstring, which is nice. I like that, but I wish it was in a hard case like on my other tire inflator, and I'll show you that as well. But as long as it has something I can store the air inflator in, I'm fine. So that's cool. You have all your little accessories right there. Hopefully you can see that. Cables, you have the USB-A to USB-C cable, and you have a long cable, which is nice for if the air inflator is not charged up, you're on the side of the road, guess what? You could just plug it into a cigarette lighter and be good to go. This right here is really nice, very premium. It will not break as easy. It looks very durable. And the star of the show, it feels really nice. So let's just turn it on and see how it looks. Oh, that is cool. Oh, the LED screen is like really nice. So I'll go ahead and take this off, and that's how it looks. Plus button to adjust the preset PSI, and in my car it's 42, so 42 PSI, and that's how the side looks, and that's the back of it. The bottom is where you have the USB-A port, the DC outlet, and the USB-C port, and it has a little charging symbol right there, and that's how you can charge it. Let's show you how the light looks. Tap it once, just like that. Tap it again. It's like an emergency type deal, and I think the next will be where it'll go fast. Turn it off, one more click. At the bottom, there's a car right there, right? And it says PSI, but if I hold down on this button at the end, it'll change it where you can like change it from PSI to bar, whatever you want. See, it says bar right there at the bottom. Then I'm gonna hit that up and increase it to 42, which my car, so that's good right there. But if I just tap the button, not hold it down, you'll see it'll switch from car to bicycle, motorcycle, look like a basketball. So that's how you switch each preset. So I put it back on car, and that's how it looks. Battery life right there, really nice looking. I love the LED screen. Let's test it out. Pretty sure that my tires are either inflated at the right PSI or a little overflated. It's a little bit around 41 psi. I want to get that down to like 35. Screw it in all the way now. Secure it. So I got it around like 34, okay? So we're just going to see how fast it takes. 34.5. Let's get it started. That's it. It turned off automatically. Pretty simple, right? You're on the road with low tire pressure, pull this out, plug it into your cigarette lighter if you forgot to charge it, or if you had a full charge, you don't even have to worry about getting the cigarette lighter out. Plug it in, charge it up, doesn't take long, simple as that. It does the job. If you want to pick this up, I would leave my affiliate link in the description below for you for a little discount on this if you want to pick this up. Good for emergencies. You need to top off air in your tire. I would recommend this. This kid. See you in the next video.